The sun is out, but the cold is even chillier. This is Karina Danninger with Keller Williams coming to you live from Cocoa today. I'm on this very quaint street, and let me pan you around right now. And you're gonna see a very nice, quiet street with lots of mature trees, pride of ownership all the way down the block. I'm at this adorable concrete block home, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage, brand new 2020 roof. This home is on the market today. I wanted to real quick get you inside this house. I know we're only a couple weeks to Christmas, but this one's gonna go fast. It has nice updated bathrooms with granite countertops, updated vanities, nice new toilet, tub shower combo between 2 of the bedrooms. This is bedroom number 2 over here. Lots of space, has good closet space, nice natural lighting. And so now you're going to see the nice tile floor that's going throughout, newer carpet, ceiling fans. This is bedroom number 3 over here. This home has no HOA, no rental restrictions. I love it. You're very close to Route 1. If you like to go to Cocoa Village, that's just a hop, skip, and a jump. This door here takes you out to the 1-car garage. That is also where the laundry is. This is bedroom number 4. Nice lighting. Really nice natural lighting in here. And then as we come through the hallway, we're going to come to the kitchen. The kitchen's really pretty. It has nice cherry wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, lots of cabinetry, nice double door refrigerator, deep sink. The cleaning lady's just been here. You know how it goes, pictures, video, live. And so nice big living room, ceiling fan, really nice big backyard, which is great if you have kids, dogs, really, toys. You will not have any problem storing anything in your backyard. You are within the city of Cocoa, so you have to maintain whatever the city says, but there's no HOA telling you can't. Tray ceiling in the master bedroom, nice ceiling fan. You have a walk-in closet. Hey, Heather, how's Minnesota? It's cold in Florida, but I think it's even colder there. And we're gonna come on into the master bath. The master bath has a nice vanity, also granite countertop, newer toilet, and also a tub shower combo. And this house is coming on the market for $160,000. There's not much you can get right now for $160,000, and you're so close to public transportation, the hospitals, shopping, dining, Merritt Island, 45 minutes to Orlando, easy commute if you're going out to Orlando. If you are just looking for a nice, easy home to maintain, it's all on one floor, split floor plan, light, bright, and ready to roll. So here's the deal. I need to find a buyer quickly. We want this one gone before Christmas. So if you have a buyer, contact me. And if you have, if you are a buyer, you don't have an agent, contact me. If you have an agent, have your agent contact me. Let's get you in this house and let's get this one sold quickly. Interest rates are at a historic all-time low, and we are ready to roll. So have a great day. This is Karina Danninger coming to you live from Cocoa, Florida. In the chilly look, I actually have a winter coat on from New Jersey today. Oh my goodness. Heather, you're telling me it's about 25 degrees in northern Minnesota right now? Brr. We're like dying at 45 degrees here today. Have a great day, folks. Call me if you need me. My info's on the video.